Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has given us an opportunity to gather here to celebrate the achievement of Rohingya Future Star. Now I am going to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Yasin, son of Nurbajo. My permanent address was Bolivatan Mountain Township, Arkansas, Maryland. Currently, I live in Balkalwan, Camnan, Block I6. I study in Gadwak in Rohingya National School, a Rohingya community-based school in the refugee camp, Coxbazar, Bangladesh. When hundreds of Rohingya district, students are getting qualitative education from 9 qualified teachers for 2 years. Due to your prayer, I have been selected for the third prize in grade 4. At the academic year of 2023 to 2024. Dear my parents, beloved teacher and my dear friend, I don't have what to experience my heart with. Gratitude to all of you for your continued support. Humble prayer and cooperation on us. We will not forget you in our life. We will love you. We will look after you. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us tawfiq to support each other in the world. Thank you so much for your patience. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.